Hello everyone, here we have a new airdrop of Bunagame. This is all you have to do. Just input your Solana address and your Twitter handle. How do we do that? First and foremost is to go to our Phantom wallet. Once we get to our Phantom wallet, then just click Solana and then click deposit and then click copy. So go back to the airdrop page, paste the Solana address you have copied here. Now for your Twitter, and come here, go to your Twitter, then click your profile. This is your profile picture. Click it. Once you click it, click profile, then click these three dots at the top here, then click share. Once you click share, this is your Twitter handle, then click copy. Once you copy it, go back to the airdrop page, paste what you have copied here, and then click get access. Wait for some time, it will load and you get access. So here it is, you've gotten access. So all you have to do now to get points is to copy your referral link. Copy this referral link, and then whoever enters through this referral link becomes your referral and you get points. So you can go down to read how to make the points task. So you can see now, you can see the different tasks. Twitter, official banner Twitter. So go to task. So if you scroll down, you're seeing task. Come down, but if you can do referrals, fine. Once you come here, all you have to do is to follow this page. Follow. Once you follow, come back to the page, then mark as completed. Once you click follow, go straight to your Twitter account and then touch your profile picture, touch profile, then click share, copy the link, and then go back to your browser, go back to the airdrop page and submit link. Click submit. So you can see that completed. If you go up now, you're going to see now that I've earned 400 points. You see, at first it was reading 0. You can see 400 point value at $0.4. So then go down to complete other task. Go down. This one is repost this tweet. So what are you going to do? Click here. Okay, say there's a new latest, so touch it, see the latest post of this post, then quote tweet. Okay, do not miss out on this great project. Okay, then click post. Once you click post, then click view. Sometimes it may pop up at the top of your screen or the down. So now copy this link now, go back to the airdrop page, mark as completed. Now if it asks you for the link, simply paste this link that you have copied now, allow it to load, and then if you come up now, you can see our point is 800. That means the task has been completed. So these are the two available tasks. We have completed them. So what is left is to get your referral link, which is this. Just click to copy. It has been copied, then share it with your friends and families, and as they register and earn points, you will get more points for your referrals.